Alright, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. This is the new phenomenal. Wow. Ito yung bagong Vice Phenomenal Velvet Liquid Lip Kit. So, I got 3 shades. In-order ko to nung nirelease sila, which is November 30. Kakadating lang nila ngayon, which is December 5. So, matagal ko itong hinintay. I just got back from a vacation. So, please don't mind the nails. Sobrang excited ako para pa magtanggal. So, ayun. I'm super excited with the Velvet Liquid Lip Kit. I did try the liquid lipsticks, the Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipsticks. So, these retail for 295 pesos, which is really, really inexpensive. I love the packaging. Yung packaging nung matte liquid lipstick, parang ganito din, wala lang lip swatch. So, I have 3 shades. I have ITEKLAVU, KUMELAVU, at si Vulevu. Beige. Parang pahirap ng pahirap yung pangalan ni Vice. Parang, ewan ko, but ganun. So, this one comes with the Velvet Liquid Lipstick and a retractable lip liner, ultra soft, cloud-like, and hydrating. So, ganyan yung itsura niya sa loob. So, ito yung shade na ITEKLAVU. So, compared sa matte liquid lipsticks, ang Velvet naman ay frosted bottles. Ayan, frosted siya compared sa matte liquid. Wala siyang name. Wala siyang name sa ilalim. Yung matte liquid meron. Like, ito hana siya. Ito wala. So, medyo, bakit wala, ma'am? Wait, labas natin tong retractable liquid liner. So, ito yung itsura ng retractable liquid liner. Ito yung hindi retractable. Ito yung sa liquid. So, ayun. Wala din name to. As in, Vice lang. Tapos may shade sa ilalim. Medyo hindi ko gusto yun, guys. Kasi, sobrang mas mahirap pa i-decipher kung anong shade yung. Kasi lalo frosted to. So, hindi ko naman itatago to. Laki-laking kahon. Pero cute siya. Pero it's not practical na tatago ko pa. So, this one is in the shade ITEKLAVU. So, pagtatabi-tabi ko siya kasi baka mapaghalo ko. So, ito yung ITEKLAVU. Ooh, interesting. Nandun pa rin yung parang that is amazing. Ang moussey niya, guys. Then, ito yung retractable ng ITEKLAVU. Oh. Yan. Yung retractable lip liner is like a lighter version nung Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Yung retractable lip liner, mas hard siya compared sa smooth glide lip liners dun sa original lip kit. Ano ba to? Sorry, guys. Mas ano siya, mas a bit rougher. Ito kasing sa original na matte liquid lipstick ng Vice, mas smooth to. So, this one, what is it called? Wala man nilang name. So, ito yung soft glide lip liner. So, it's not hard. It's like kind of in between. KUMELAVU. KUMELAVU. Pahirap ng pahirap, ma'am. Pahirap ng pahirap. So, ito na, wala talaga siyang name. Hello? Paano ko ma-decipher kung anong shade i-touch? Okay. Kasi tingnan nyo. Oh. Diba mas mahirap siyang i-decipher? Malamang mas light to. Pero like, hello? Hindi mo memorize yan. Mas mahirap nga yung mga pangalan nila. So, ito ulit yung shade na KUMELAVU. Okay. KUMELAVU. Ooh. Yan. Ito yung KUMELAVU. Iba yung itsura nito sa website. So, ito yung KUMELAVU. Parang shade ba to? Parang warm brick brownish red. Hindi ko alam. So, ayan yung KUMELAVU. Tingnan nyo naman yung swatch sa ilalim ng parang pareho lang dun sa kabila. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh, parang, hello. Okay, ito yung lip liner sa KUMELAVU. KUMELAVU. Ayan. Ito yung KUMELAVU. Alright. Last shade is Vulevu. Ito si Vulevu. Alright. Vulevu. Tingnan nyo. Oh, ang hirap i-decipher ko anong shade to. Tabi natin sa KUMELAVU. Tingnan nyo naman. Anyways, Vulevu. Ang ganda ng formula do. I just wish may... Ay, ang ganda naman nito. Ito yung Vulevu. Uy, ito yung parang terracotta. Ito. Right now, ang pinaka gusto ko is yung Vulevu at si ITEKLAVU. Maluloka ako sa mga pangalan to. Ayan. So, ayan si Vulevu. Ayan. So, I think based on the swatches, isa-swatch ko naman silang lahat. Pero for the wear test, I think I'm gonna go with Vulevu. So, pero ang ganda rin kasi ng ITEKLAVU. Ano sa tingin nyo, guys? ITEKLAVU, KUMELAVU, and Vulevu. So, gagamitin ko yung lip liner ni Vulevu. Vulevu. Alright. Wait. Try nga natin i-spread. Ayan o. Ooh. Ang ganda ng formula, guys. Oh my gosh. Mas smooth talaga yung sa Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick na lip liner. Lip liner. Okay siya. It's nothing special. It's not my favorite formula, but it's okay. Ito, excited ako is yung sa Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So, ang gagawin ko, parang blur ko lang muna siya. Then, I'll layer it up. This is so nice. Ayan. So, blender ko muna siya. To be honest, yung pinaka-sheer actually sa mga lahat na swatch ko is actually si Vulevu. Pero ang ganda niya, oh. So pretty. Okay, so lilayer ko lang siya. Ang ganda niya, guys. So pretty. Loving the formula. It is ultra soft. It is cloud-like. Titingnan natin yung hydrating. Pero right now, hindi niya na-accentuate yung dry patches na aking lips, which that's a good thing. It's very, very light. I didn't feel like I put any lip product on. So, yeah, tingnan lang natin kung maglalast siya. Because it is now 2:30 p.m. So, kakain na ako ng lunch. And let's see kung paano siya. Feeling ko magta-transfer to ng konti because it is velvet. Pero, super love the formula. So, So I'm back. So this is how my lips look like. It is now 9:36 p.m. So yeah, so when I this went through lunch, dinner, merienda, and also I just brushed my teeth. So talagang wala na siya. It's mainly on the outer side. Before brushing my teeth, mas may tint siya ng konti. So I will just reapply this and see. I never applied lip balm or anything, and it's applied really, really nicely. So again, I'm using the shade Vulevu, and my hair is like whack at the back. So I absolutely love the Phenomenal Velvet Lip Kits from Vice. This is much better than the liquid lipsticks because yung liquid lipstick, kapag nag-fade siya, lalo yung shade na ito, Phenom, super uneven and very unflattering yung pagka-fade niya. Ito, it just fades very, very nicely. Hindi yung biglaan na wala ng kulay dito, sobrang bold sa taas, ganon. So this one fades really, really nicely. I absolutely love this. The whole time I was wearing it, I never felt anything. It felt really, really light on the lips. And from a bunch of velvet like lip products that I've tried a few this year. This one is the one that kind of blurs your lips, and that's the thing that I've been missing from the other velvet tints I've tried, or like liquid lipsticks or anything. It's the blurring properties of it, and that's the thing that I love about velvet lip anything, kasi nablur niya yung lips, hindi niya na-accentuate yung dark patches. Like with matte liquid lipsticks, the others kind of set into a soft matte. This one, it's just, it looks, I don't know, it's the perfect formula. It's so nice. Tapos basta it's not completely transfer proof, pero hindi naman ganong kalala yung pagka-transfer niya, but it's not completely transfer proof, which in-expect ko because it is a liquid lip. It is a velvet liquid lipstick. The lip liners, I didn't really care much for it. It's like a normal lip liner. It's nothing special, because like with the liquid matte liquid lipstick lip liners, I'm in love with the smooth glide ones. The retractable ones I didn't really care for. I'm impressed with this one, so if ever they release like single ones of these, I will definitely pick it up. I didn't really care much for the retractable, although it helps in prolonging the lip liner, I mean the velvet lippy, but it's a normal, you know, lip liner. So, but I absolutely love this. If you hate matte liquid lipsticks, this stuff, this is so good. This is actually one of the closest to the Peri Pera Airy Ink Velvet. If you've tried that, it's very similar to this one. This one is even, for me, I feel like it's a lot better than the Peri Pera Airy Ink Velvets. So this is like amazing. So highly recommend this. Lalo Christmas season, sobrang gandang gift to sa friends nyo. Lalo yung mga mahilig sa makeup. Super ganda. Super love the formula. So yeah, hope you guys like my review. Again, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!